Good morning, Miller.
Yes. Call the
Good
list.
morning.
From daily gossip under the heading RSV defect, serial number 1, MA number 15 of 20.
मैं मेंशन वन केस मिला हुजूर एक केस जारी कॉल हुआ था हुजूर के यहाँ से 27 तारीख को लिस्ट नहीं हुआ हुजूर को
क्या मेंशन कर रहा है? पूरा लिस्ट पढ़िए, नोटिस पढ़िए, उसके बाद देनी कवर मेंशन. Yes. What is this? Miscellaneous appeal. Motion order. What is this? Who is for the petitioner?
Mr. Shekhar Prasad Sinha.
Who is appearing? What is the defect?
As per para 2 CCO meeting orders, petition number 1 approach to be received and parentage is POPS and missing at OP number 1. It may be sent to court below profile.
Fresh notice. Degree. We sent to the court below. Petitioner is dead. Here's the notice. What is this? Regarding certificate for the appeal order was sent defect number 5 as per para 5 of the disease. No one appears. There is this case after 4 weeks under the same hearing.
Serial number 2, and number 92 of 20. Mr. Nikhil Manya.
Your Lordship, there is just one defect, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, 4 weeks time may be given.
4 weeks as paid for to remove the defect.
Serial number 3, MA number 127 of 20.
Lord, there are two defects in the limitation petition.
Tell me what time, how much time you want to remove those defects.
Lord, 2 weeks time may be granted.
Total 5 defects.
There are other defects also. Defect
But I am-
as paid for to remove the defects.
I am for the restaurant number 2 and 3.
Serial number 4, MA number 163 of 20.
But in this case, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Prashant Kumar Rahul Millard. I am praying for 3 weeks time for removing defects, Millard.
3 weeks. 3 weeks
Yes,
to
sir.
remove the defects.
Much obliged, Millard.
Serial number 5, MA number 184 of 20.
Please, my lord, may I kindly, may
Yes.
be three weeks time may kindly be
3
given, my
weeks
lord,
as paid for.
to remove the defect, my lord.
3 weeks as paid
MA
for.
number 187 of 20. Mr. M.K. Ali, Mr. Jayant Kumar Pandey.
Yes.
I am not on of record, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, 4 weeks time may be given for
4
removing.
weeks as paid for.
Serial number 7, MA number 188 of 20. Mr. M.K. Ali, Mr. Jayant Kumar Pandey.
My lord, 4 weeks time might be given.
4 weeks as paid for.
Serial number 8, MA number 191 of 20. Mr. Amit Kumar Das, Mr. Saurabh Kumar.
Lordship, in this, a defect has been pointed out that respondent number 7 name appears and they have been, he's the project officer, Lordship, and he has been made respondent as a performer respondent as because he was a party in the claim tribunal, Lordship. This may be ignored, I am praying, Lordship.
We should ignore.
The defect number 8, Lordship, that opposite party name appears as respondent 7, Lordship.
So you correct it.
He's the performer respondent, Lordship. I'll
What is the What is the defect?
OP number 2 has appeared in this memo as respondent number 7. However, he has been represented appellant also. It may be verified.
You file an affidavit to that effect.
Lordship, I'll follow.
Necessary affidavit to be filed to explain the defects.
Serial number 9, MN number 193 of 20. Miss Suchitra Pandey.
Wait, please. Malibs, I'm praying for 6 weeks' time to remove the defects. Malibs, I could not check the defects.
4 weeks to remove the defect.
Obliged, madam.
Missing. 4 weeks.
Obliged, madam.
Serial number 10, MN number 195 of 20. Mr. Nikhil Ranjan.
My lordship, 3 weeks time is being prayed for the verification of.
My lord, kindly see the defect number 10, your lordship.
How many defects are there?
My lord, as per my information, only 2 defects are there. Defect number 5 and defect number 10. And for defect number 10, your lordship, it is to be corrected by the learned court below, your lordship. 5 and 10 interlinked, your lordship.
The rest defect you have removed.
My lord, I have removed, your lordship.
Type copy and everything you have filed. Cost typing you have corrected.
My lord, I have filed, your lordship. Other defect remove also.
5 is name of the presiding officer. You have not mentioned the name of the presiding officer in para 1 and in the prayer portion. Defect number 10, the office to send the certified copy to the court concerned for necessary correction. Full stop. Rest of the remaining defects should be removed within 3 weeks.
4 weeks, your lordship. 4 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
ठीक है हुजूर, ठीक है.
Serial number 12, MN number 202 of 20.
Lordship, 4 weeks time may be given to remove the defects.
5 defects. 4 weeks time.
Serial number 13, MN number 240 of 20. Mr. Mukesh Kumar. 8 defects.
8.
4 weeks time may be granted.
4 weeks.
My lord, in earlier case, your lordship, serial number 11, defect number 5 is interlinked with the defect number 10, your lordship.
Defect number 5, it is missing in your paragraph 1 and prayer portion. How can that be?
Your lordship, name of the presiding officer, your lordship. Name of the presiding officer.
You have to put it, you get it and put it there. Yes.
Name of learned PO may be mentioned at para 1. That is not given in the certified copy. And as such, it is interlinked.
No, it's not interlinked. You can get the name and you can.
My lord,
you can insert it in
told your lordship, it is very difficult, your
Next.
lordship.
Next.
Serial number 14, MN number 244 of 20. Mr. Vijay Kumar Sharma. 7 defects.
But 4 weeks time may be allowed, your lordship.
4 weeks.
Obliged.
Serial number 15, MN number 259 of 20. Mr. Ashish Kumar Thakur, Mr. Ashutosh Anand. Over 17 defects.
Yes, who is appearing? No one appears. 4 weeks time to remove the defects.
Serial number 16, MN number 288 of 20. Mr. Batish Kumar, Mr. Prashant Kumar Srivastava. 3 defects.
No one appears 3 weeks time.
No, I'm appearing, Lord, sir.
Yes. Mr. Pratesh Kumar appears and prays for 3 weeks time to remove the defect.
Lord, 4 weeks is possible, Lord, sir.
3 defects only. Remove it.
Okay, Lord. I hope anything is to be ignored, Lord.
Yes.
4 weeks time, my lord, praying, my lord. 4 weeks time.
20 defects. 4 weeks time.
My lord.
Serial number 18, MA number 294 of 20.
It's a prayer for 2 weeks time, Lord.
2 weeks time has prayed for.
Serial number 19, MA number 301 of 20. Mr. Pandey, Mr. Gaurav
With regard to defect number 4, my lord, a certified copy of impugned order may be directed to be sent to the lower court, my lord. One of the respondent has not been mentioned in the impugned order, my lord. Respondent number 6.
What about the other defects?
My lord, if they are surviving, I will remove it within 3 weeks, my lord.
Regarding defect number 4, office is directed to send the certified copy of the order, impugned order, to the court below for necessary correction. Full stop. Within 3 weeks, the rest of the defects, if any, to be removed. There are defecting.
Serial number 20, MA number 303 of 20.
Well, 4 weeks time may be given because we have to file this IA for a limitation.
4 weeks time to remove the defects.
Serial number 21, MA number 306 of 20. Mr. M.K. Ali, Mr. Jayakumar Pandey.
Yes, Lordship. 4 week time, Lordship.
4 weeks.
And one Lordship. Item number 7 also the same order, Lordship. 4 weeks.
Why people are interfering in the proceedings?
Lordship.
Yes, next.
Serial number 22, MA number 307 of 20. Mr. M.K. Ali, Mr. Jayakumar Pandey.
Lordship, same order, Lordship.
How much time?
4 week time, Lordship.
4 weeks time. Kitna defect hai? 2 defects. Sorry, 3 weeks time.
All right, Lord.
Serial number 23, MA number 312 of 20. Mr. Sekar Prasad Sinha, Ms. Rashmi Sahai. 2 defects.
No one appears. 3 weeks time.
Serial number 24, MA number 312. Mr. Manish Kumar.
3 weeks time I'm bringing.
3 weeks. Huh? 1 defect.
मतलब उसको इंस्पेक्शन करके उसको काटना होगा. This is the problem. खाली टाइप कॉपी देना. I'll give by tomorrow, my lord. My lord can.
3 weeks.
My lord.
This was
MA number 322 of 20. Mr. Alok Ram, Mr. Santosh Kumar.
In this case, we have deposited the amount. 3 weeks time may be allowed to file the certificate, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
The amount has been deposited.
3 weeks.
Serial number 26, MA number 325 of 20. Mr. Raju Anand appears.
Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, yesterday I had filed Wakalatnama online, Your Lordship. Today I will drop in hard box, Your Lordship.
Rakhi Rani submits that she will appear in this case and has filed Wakalatnama. Full stop. 3 weeks time is granted to remove the defects.
Serial number 27, MA number 327 of 20. Mr. Anjali Kumar.
Lordship, for the defect number 1 and 2, Lordship, kindly send the impugned order to Lordship concerned court for necessary corrections, Lordship.
Defect number 1 and 2 to be sent to the court below for necessary correction. Rest of the defects to be removed within 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Serial number 28, MA number 329 of 20. Mr. Muhammad Ayub Ansari, Mr. Sandeep Verma.
No one appears. 3 weeks time to remove the defect.
Serial number 29, MA number 330 of 20. Name of Mr. Raju Anand.
Who will appear in this case? Anyone? Look here. It has been informed that Mr. Rajiv Anand, learned advocate who was representing the appellant, has unfortunately expired. Full stop. Next para. Office is directed to send notice to the appellants, informing the aforesaid fact and requesting them to appoint a lawyer. Full stop. Further, members of this Jalsa will try to establish contact with the appellants, and if the appellant needs any legal assistance, Jalsa should extend legal assistance to the appellants. Let a copy of this order be forwarded to Jalsa also. Next.
Serial number 30, ML number 332 of 20.
My Lordship, from serial number 30 to serial number 35, we have filed fresh wakalatnama. So we will require 3 weeks of time for that.
3 weeks time as for my, what is your name?
My Lordship, Jai Mohan Mishra. I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Nikhil Ranjan.
Okay. As prayed for 3 weeks time to remove the defects. 30 to 35.
In all these cases, there are IA, but the case is filed on time.
We'll consider that.
Much obliged, my Lordship.
Yes.
Serial number 36, ML number 349 of 20, Mr. Sabesati.
No one appears. 3 weeks time to remove the defects.
Serial number 37, ML number 352 of 20, Mr. Mohammed Asadul Haq.
Yes, Mr. Haq, where are you? 3 weeks time, no one appears.
Under the heading for orders, serial number 38 with serial number 39, ML number 100 of 50 with ML number 99 of 50, Mr. Pratyush Kumar, Mr. Ganesh Pathak, for the appellate in both cases, Mr. Shravan Kumar, Mr. Vijay Kumar Sharma.
Lords, in this case, Lords, the insurance company has preferred an appeal. There is a delay condonation application placed before Lordships. The delay is of 177 days. Lords, if your Lordship sees the para 3 onwards, Lords, para 2 onwards in the delay application, Lords, delay condonation application, the order which was passed on 31/5/2014, the certified copy was submitted to the divisional office by the council only on 18/9/2014. That is after a delay of about more than 3.5 months. So thereafter, Lords, the decision was taken, Lords, by a process, para 3 onwards, and thereafter, Lords, the competent approval.
Yes, what do you have to say? Who is appearing? Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship.
What do you have to say?
Lordship, delay of the 177 days, Your Lordship. And the more days, Lordship. I think that the awarded amount of the insurance appeal, Your Lordship.
Lords, there are about 3.5 days delay, Lords, in intimation, Lords, and the certified copy is also there. If Lordship sees the certified copy, the cage column.
There is. This application has been filed to condone the delay of 177 days in filing this appeal. Full stop. The counsel for the appellant, next paragraph. Counsel for the appellant submits that it is the counsel who was representing the appellants before the tribunal who took 3.5 months to transmit the certified copy to the office. Full stop. It is submitted that immediately on receipt of the same, the office of the appellant prepared a file, and thereafter recommendation was sought for, and after obtaining approval from different stages, this appeal was filed. He submits that this process took some time to condone the took some time in filing this appeal. He praised that the delay caused may be condoned. First up, the respondent supposes the prayer. First up, considering the submissions made in paragraph 3 onwards in this paragraph 3 of the application of this section 5 of the Limitation Act. I am satisfied that sufficient ground has been shown. Delay condoned. IA allowed. What is your ground?
Lords, the deceased was traveling, Lords, in a pickup goods carriage vehicle as a gratuitous passenger, was neither covered under contract of insurance, neither within the four corners of the statute. So, Lords,
Both the deceased, both the cases, in both
yes,
the cases,
both.
arising out of the same accident.
Same accident, Lords.
Same accident.
They were in a pickup
Who is
goods
the owner of the vehicle?
owner.
Who is appearing for the owner of the vehicle? Mr. Shravan Kumar, they were represented. Place this case under this heading for admission after 1 week. Elsier is there?
No, Lords.
Or for the low court records, name में लिखिएगा.
But in the second case also, similar
order.
Obliged.
And the meantime, Your Lordship, claimant has one person, Your Lordship, and the awarded amount has not paid, Your Lordship, during the pendency of this appeal, Your Lordship.
There is no stay.
If the Lordship,
There is no stay.
no stay, Lordship.
Yes.
Serial number 40 with serial number 41, MN number 9 of 16 with MN number 498 of 16. Mr. Alok Lal for appellant in first case, Mr. MP Lal.
Well, in this case, in terms of order 19/2020, I had sought time for filing this petition for substitution of respondent number 8, but immediately thereafter, this entire country was something under the unprecedented situation, Your Lordship. We have sent them the letter, but we could not file it. Yet 4 weeks time may be allowed for filing substitution petition for R4. Our respondent number 8, who is the owner?
Counsel for the appellant pays for some time to comply the earlier order. Prayer allowed in this case after 4 weeks.
Serial number 42 with serial number 43, MN number 282 of 16 with MN number 297 of 16. Mr. Arvind Kumar Lal for appellant in both cases. Mr. Shailendra, Mr. Prashant Kumar Srivastava.
My lord, in first case, my lord, item 42, I filed a petition, IA application, my lord. That appellant number 1 has died, my lord. So for deletion of his name, this IA application has been filed, my lord.
Appellant number 1 is dead. The other heirs are on record.
Yes, my lord.
IA number 6588 of 2021. Full stop. The appellant just filed this interlocutory application praying therein to delete the name of appellant number 1 as he has expired on 27/12/2016.
After filing of the instant appeal, my lord.
Yes, 27/12/2016. He submits that the name of the heir is already on record as appellant number 2. Full stop. Considering his submission, next paragraph here. Considering his submission, this IA is allowed. The name of appellant number 1 is deleted. Yes. What is the other one, Mr. Lal? There is no
That
difference.
is along with this case, my lord. Therefore, they let both cases be heard next week or after that,
Place this case next week under the heading for admission.
my lord.
Serial number 44, MN number 353 of 16, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Prasad.
Yes, who is for the appellant?
No requisite file.
Who is for the appellant? No one appears on behalf of the appellant. List this case after. List this case immediately when the court hears the cases in physical mode.
Serial number 45, MN number 372 of 16, Mr. P.K. Mukhopadhyay, Mr. Ashish Kumar.
Yes, Mr. Mukhopadhyay.
There is an IA for condemnation of delay of 267 days and nothing has been filed for acceptance of notice.
No one appears. Same order. Release this case.
Serial number 46, MA number 397 of 16. Before moving on for the appellant, Mr. Alokar for the respondent.